I'm just excited to share these new fabrics. We just got them in. I bought them for spring. They're all the colors that are just so beautiful for spring. So I just want to show them. These are all Italian goods. They're all viscose, 100% viscose. They all have stretch in both directions, and they're all going to be $17.99 for a couple days. They're just really, really pretty. The yellows, the blues, it just talks about all of the the colors that are in right now. The oranges, the brights. That's cute. Easily to just use part of it for a border. It's just lovely. And again, stretch in both directions. Great drape. They're just really, really great fabrics. I'm just really excited. This to me just reminds me of like the ocean, the sky. It's just beautiful. So break it up, cut it up, make it as one piece. Either way works really beautiful. Isn't this pretty? The greens that are so popular, and it has so many different colors in it. It could go with an olive green, it could go with a tan, it really could go with a white. It's a great transition fabric, and that's really why I bought them for now. Is they'll be good now, and then they'll be good, you know, going into full spring. And then I just love this, y'all. I love black. I just love the swirls and the colors and it's just beautiful. Again, stretch in both directions, 100% viscose. They're all Italian goods, and they're all $17.99. Ah, gorgeous. Happy sewing, and we'll see you tonight.